Hi guys, in this video we will learn about arithmetic operators in C Sharp. These are very basic operators which we have been learning since our school, but it is good to know the basics before we can start using them in our coding. So let's get on with it. In order to use any operator, we need to understand two concepts. One is operator and the second is operand. So if we see an expression like this, where 1 plus 2 is written, this is termed as an expression. This expression has got an operator which is the plus sign, and it has got two operands, so operand 1, operand 2. The operators act on operands. Operands are the constants or the variables which an operator operates on. Let's quickly go through the arithmetic operators which are available in C Sharp. These are very basic ones, as I said, but it is good to learn about the basic things before you can start using them in your code, so that you understand whenever you are doing any operation how the calculations will be done. So the first one is, of course, addition operator. The addition operator plus computes the sum of its operands, as we just saw in the previous example. And then we have got this subtraction operator, which is denoted by minus sign. The subtraction operator subtracts its right hand operand from its left hand operand. And then we have got this multiplication operator, which is denoted by star, and it computes the product of its operands. Moving further, we have got this division operator, which is denoted by forward slash, and it divides its left hand operand by its right hand operand. It's very important to understand that the division in C Sharp gives an integer value as an answer if both x and y are integers. Okay, so if we are dividing 8 by 4, then the result will always be an integer. But if either x or y is known integer, we will get a known integer answer. So it will always be in decimal format. We'll see an example of it very soon. And finally, we have got this modulus or remainder operator, which is denoted by percentage. It computes the remainder after dividing the left hand operand by its right hand operand. So let us put it all together in one of the C Sharp programs and see how all these operators operate and how they compute these values. Let me quickly launch Visual Studio and specify the name as arithmetic operators. So let me copy the code I have already created in a file into the main method, but I would recommend you type the code in the code editor yourself so that you get the hang of writing the code. As usual, I will put the code download link below in the description of the video for you to have a look. Let me run the code first, and then I will explain the code side by side. So if I run the code and we get this console window, so we get addition operator written in the output window as we wrote a specific statement to display it, and then the results of the addition are displayed. 15 plus 4, 19. And you notice that if one of the operand is a real number, then the result will be displayed as real number as well. Same is true for subtraction and the multiplication. In terms of division, note that if both the operands are integer, the result is displayed as integer. So in here 14 divided by 5, the result is displayed as 2. which is just giving the integer part. Similarly, if we change it to -14, it will display -2 as the result. But if one of the operand is a real number like 14.0, then the result is displayed as 2.8, which is including the decimal part, and it's not just truncated to integer number. And similarly, if we use a negative number, so result is displayed as -2.8. Modulus operator or the remainder operator, as usual, if we divide 5 by 4, the remainder is 1, so it displays as 1. And in if it is -5 percentage 4, the result is -1. So finally we have got this read key, so which is waiting for an input. So if I just press enter here, it will just close the window. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done already, please do subscribe, share and like the video. Thanks.